Okay, hello. So today we are going to discuss religion. All right. So let's quickly go over what religion is. So religion is basically a set of beliefs that people have, and this will include some notion either of God or of some supernatural force that exists, and with which people have some kind of association or experience. Religion is of will fall, for our purposes, it will fall in three categories. The first are the monotheistic religions. The word theist means someone who believes in God, and mono means one. So a monotheist will believe in one God. And normally the Christianity, Judaism and Islam are the three monotheistic religions. After monotheism, then there are pagan religions. Pagan is an umbrella term for religions that are non-Abrahamic, that do not descend from the Prophet Abraham, and they will include many religions, most of which are polytheistic in nature. Poly means many, so they will believe in several gods. Then there's a third category of religions in which there is no concept of God, and these are largely what are called animistic religions, and these religions believe in spirits, and there are a very large number of tribes, old ancient tribes, which still believe in these forms of religions. They are present in sub-Saharan Africa and in South America. So these are some of the different kinds of religions, but in all religions you will have the certain characteristics. There will be a personal element of communication with God, and that is something which we call prayer in normal parlance. There will also be communal worship. People will worship together, and there will also be things like exorcism, in which evil spirits and evil entities are dealt with through some religious processes. Religions will always create some kind of mechanism of control in society, and they will exert some kind of social control over society. Religions, the function that it performs is not just control, it's also related to socialization. Religions bring about socialization by giving beliefs and values to society, and they will also create social solidarity. When people have a sense of what is common between their beliefs, then they come together. So there will be social arrangement and social solidarity and social control, and these are the things that religions contribute in a sociological manner. So there are two ways of looking at religion in sociology, right? The first way is the inclusive way. Inclusive and exclusive, these are the two. Now you have to be careful. You will not confuse the inclusive way of looking at religion with inclusive religions. Inclusive religions are those religions in which it is possible for people to convert to a certain faith. They will welcome people from outside the faith. That is an inclusive religion. Exclusive religions will not invite people to join their fold. But we are not discussing inclusive and exclusive religions here. We are discussing the inclusive method of looking at a religion in sociology. So what is an inclusive method of looking at religion? For the inclusive method, the content of the religion is not very important. It is the function that the religion performs which is important, right? So this then becomes a functionalist perspective. What is the function that religion is performing for society? And in this method of thinking, there is really no difference between who a Christian is worshipping and who a Muslim is worshipping, or even worship of a totem. That's not very important. The most important thing is what is the function that religion is performing? Is religion creating social solidarity? Is religion creating some kind of social arrangement? So these are the things that it's more of a functional way of looking at religion. The opposite of this is the exclusive way of looking at religion. In the exclusive method, the function is not important, but it's a narrower way of looking at religion, the actual beliefs of religion, the actual practices in religion, the quasi-religious behavior, going to the place of worship, performing rituals, performing worship, praying, observing the Sabbath. These are the things that set one religion apart from the other religion. In other words, by practicing one religion, we are excluding the possibility of being part of another religion. So this is the exclusive way of looking at religion. Also remember that in all religions, certain things are sacred. The word sacred will go with religions as well. So sacred is something which is normally an object. An object is sacred, and it gives it's precious. This sacred thing, to be sacred, the thing has to be precious, and it is to be represented by some object, and it becomes a part of our belief. So we will continue our discussion of religion as to why it is important for individuals and for societies. But for now, this is all. Please revise inclusive and exclusive approach to religions and what religion is. All right, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.